a big thank you out to Benzin. If it wasn't for Benzin, I wouldn't have got that figured out, so thanks for that, Benzin. He taught me to, this is just to help maybe some other people. So basically, there's my cables. We've reversed the red and the black. So these cables, that's just an extension to the breakout board. So I wouldn't really follow those cables, to be fair. I've tried to match them up as best as I can. And so the only difference really is the purple goes to the orange cable. So what we've done here is, before that was black into black and red into red, I've simply swapped them over as Benzin suggested. That's fixed the problem. So hopefully this will help anybody else. If it does, you know what to do, guys. I'm not going to say it because I know you're all fed up listening to people asking for it. Right, inside my control panel. So from this, right, it's going into the version 2 controller, and there's a cable in there. Let me see if I can get a light on my camcorder. So as you can see in there, that's how we've got it wired in. Now try to remember, guys, if you've got the first version of this, that controller probably won't work. So you need to get the V2 version. Yes, it's a bit messy, but this is me just testing it all. Hopefully this helps somebody else build theirs. That wee power supply is for a fan, it's not being used just now. Yeah, that's hard limits. That's my little Chinese socket. I'll have to fit that later. I think I've changed the Mac version, to be fair. And silence, thanks to Schneider Electric. So now let's give it a little demo. Okay guys, so to change the axis, pretty straightforward. Press that, Z, X. Now to change your increments, you would press this button here. I'll show you what that does. It's on at 100 just now. It's on only at 1 now. Okay. Perfect for small detail manual cuts. That's your emergency restart button.